Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to be showing you how to unlock your PC with your phone, more specifically the fingerprint sensor on your phone. This replaces methods like a USB fingerprint sensor which you had to manually plug into your computer. This also allows you to remotely unlock your computer with your phone. The first step will be to set up the software. In your web browser, search for XDA Fingerprint Unlock Windows. I'll also have this website linked down below. Open the web page and scroll down to where it says download and install Remote Fingerprint Unlock and download and install the right Windows Fingerprint Credential module. First, click the Remote Fingerprint Unlock and open that in a new tab. Then click Windows Fingerprint Unlock module and download that for your PC. All you need to download is a .zip file. It should be named something like fingerprintunlock.zip. Download and extract the contents of the file. Once you've extracted it, double-click the .exe file and run it. When you get this pop-up, make sure you click the Yes button. Windows needs this firewall exception to allow remote unlock. Once you finish the setup on the Windows computer, we can move on to installing the Remote Unlock app on our Android device. On your Android device, open the Google Play Store, then search Remote Fingerprint Unlock, then click Install. Once the installation is complete, open the app. Once you open the app, you'll be greeted with a welcome page where it says to make sure we have installed the Windows module before, which we just did in the last step. Before we click the scan button on the app to add our computer, we must do one more thing. Before we begin, make sure your computer is on the lock screen. You can do that by clicking Windows plus L. Then click the plus button in the corner, click Buy Scanning, and then your PC should show up at the top of the screen. Select that. Then click the Accounts button. Here you should have your PC show up. Click the three dots and click Add Account. Now you must log in with the same credentials you used to log in on your PC. If you use an Outlook account, use your Outlook email and the password you used to log into your account. Once you've completed that, click the three lines in the corner, then click the Unlock tab. You will then be prompted to unlock with your fingerprint. Your computer should unlock right away. And that's the video. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please leave a like, and if you have any questions, comment down below. Also, if you would like to request any videos, comment down below for that too.